Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson Stylus DX6000. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the buttons found here on the control panel and the screen. Now from the main screen of the printer we go into setup, which is represented here with a screwdriver and a spanner. So we press that to go in and you'll end up on a screen that looks like this, and as you can see at the bottom it says check ink levels. So we just press the start button, which is indicated on screen. There's this one here, so in we go. And it's as simple as that. You've got a breakdown here of cyan, magenta, yellow and black cartridges, which are the 4 ink cartridges your DX6000 uses, along with their estimated ink levels. Now as you can see, all mine are reading as full, but obviously it varies all the way to the bottom, showing that it's something will need changing soon. The good thing about these printers is the ink cartridges are generally filled with more ink than you will actually use, so it's rare you'll actually need to check the estimated ink levels, as you can just carry on using the cartridges until your printer physically stops you. If you're checking the estimated ink levels due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, you might want to check out our cleaning and test page videos, which you can also find on our channel. But hopefully you found what you're looking for here. If you have, do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.